Webull Financial LLC offers an electronic trading platform accessible via mobile app and desktop computer for the commission-free trading of stocks, exchange-traded funds, options, margins, and cryptocurrencies. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing up for Webull. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app Webull. After that, tap on the profile icon at the top right and then tap on login. Now you'll be able to see an option sign up. Tap on it. To sign up, you need to enter your mobile number. You can also sign up using your email address. To do so, tap right here and then enter the email address associated with your Webull account. Now you need to tap right here in order to ensure that you have read and agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you do all of these, tap on next and then follow the further instructions provided. Finally, you'll be able to sign up for Webull. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.